Doc reporting. We no longer have control of negotiations. You are cleared to move and secure the premises.
Drop the gun now! Police, get on the police! Don't move!
I give up!
Get inside the house!
Move over here. I need you to move. Move and stay there. Move towards me. Don't move your hands for me, all right? Got him.
Can I keep my pay? I got 4 kids.
Entry team to talk. Good to go.
Entry team, this is Doc. Continue mission.
You gonna take me in for doing my job?
LSPD's here.
Put it down slowly! Put it down!
All right.
Don't move!
I won't fuck around. Who are you?
LSPD! Police!
Give
Drop
up.
the weapon!
Hold position. Get to the exit. Provide cover. Need you to stay still. Cuffs are on.
understand. It's the money,
Element
man.
to talk. Suspect secure. Ready for pickup.
Doc to Element. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Lead to talk. Civilian secure.
Doc
shoot.
to entry team. Send them.
You have the right to remain silent.
This
Suspect
is
ready for
fucking
wagon.
bullshit.
Talk. One cuff. Compliant.
Lead, this is Doc. Continue with objectives.
Hell with this, I'm out. Take them down hard!
Police, drop it! Hands in the air! Put your hands
Tell
up
me
and
what the
get down
charges are.
slowly!
To hell with that!
Drop the gun! Let me see those
Yes,
hands!
sir!
Shut up and don't move. They're
God
good.
pays me good money.
Entry team to talk. Secured.
Doc to Element. Trailer's ready.
Money or the right thing?
Hey, am I going to jail?
You gonna take me in?
It's LSPD.
LSPD! It's over! Get yourself up! Police! Hands in the air!
Should've listened to me. Suspect isn't going
Man,
anywhere.
Look, I just worked with
Element
the
to
guy,
talk.
all right?
Suspect good to go.
Entry team, this is Doc.
Get down!
Send
Don't
him.
move!
Lead to talk.
Look, come on.
Evidence good
I
to
was
go.
just-
Talk here. Forensics notified.
Look, man, your problem is with balls, not me.
Over here! Help us!
I'm just security
Don't shoot!
detail
Don't
around
shoot!
here.
Go to the exit. State
We don't
officers
have
are
any guns.
outside.
Please,
Go.
don't shoot!
You gonna tell me what this is even about? Even I don't know. God, fuck, I don't want to die. I'll call.
Talk. Civilian is secured.
Lead, this is Talk. Trailer's on the way.
We got company.
Don't run!
Get ready. Come out. Where are you? Checking in.
Lead to talk. Device is secure.
Element, this is Talk. Secure it and keep going.
If they see me, I'm dead. Fucked up situation. Just talk the ball. Do what you got. I'm not gonna do anything stupid.
Leave the area. Officers are outside.
You better pay up good. This shit's getting too out of hand.
Blame yourself, not me.
I was
Suspect
just
ready to
doing what I
go.
was told. Relax. Just relax, man.
Head to the exit. Officers are waiting outside. Entry team to talk. Good to go.
Element, this is Talk. Trailer's incoming.
Hey, I'll tell you whatever you want to know.
Element to talk. Civilian ready for transport.
Talk reporting. We're ready for
Tell
them.
my wife and kids if we get out of this. Money or the right thing?
All right, Jesus.
Move to the exit.
I'm not going down. I know what's waiting for me. Money's good, but this ain't right.
Can I call my family or something?
Christ, if I go in, everything's over for me.
Lead to talk. Civilian good to go.
Talk to entry team. Trailers notified.
Drop your weapon now! Hands up now! LSPD, get hands now! Give up! It's not working! Put the fucking gun, just drop it and get down! Show me your hands!
I give up.
Don't even think about it!
I've got too much at stake. Fucking LSPD. Not a fucking chance. See anyone? I won't lose.
Stay still and don't move.
I work
Zipped
for
up.
Bolton. I do my goddamn job
Talk.
here.
Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
This is
Move over
Talk.
there.
Trailers are ready.
Move to the sound of my voice.
Drop it and put your
Don't
hands
shoot
up!
torn down. I got kids. Tell me what the charge is.
LSPD, don't move!
How do those feel, sport?
The money's
Suspect
mine,
cuffed and
right?
secure.
I can keep that?
Entry team to talk. Suspect ready.
This is Talk. Trailers en route.
You gonna take me in? I'll watch your back.
I know when I die.
Son of a bitch.
I don't want you causing any problems, all right?
LSPD's here.
LSPD!
Fuck.
Get down now!
No way, no how. I'm going through this shit. I'm not throwing everything I have away.
Don't shoot. Okay.
Hands up! Drop the gun and drop the fucking gun now!
Ah, fuck. God damn it. It's not working.
Arms outstretched! Hands up! Don't move! Put your hands where I can see them!
Yeah, you'll get your
I'm
phone
going
call.
anywhere. I'm not gonna do anything.
Got him.
Fuck.
Element to talk.
Look.
Good to go
come
for
on.
trailers.
I was just...
Talk to lead. Proceed with mission.
Fuck you!
Fuck. God.
Move to my front. Move to the side.
We got company.
LSPD, don't move!
Cuffs are on.
Your family?
Lead to talk.
One in custody.
Talk to lead. Excellent work. Don't stop
I'm
now.
not going down.
Drop your gun!
God damn it. I've had it with this shit, man.
Get down and put your hands... Police, get down! Police, hands up! Hands up!
I'm not doing
Police,
anything.
don't move!
What the hell do we do?
No how. Are you fucking What? I'm not throwing everything I have away.
Fuck, man, I quit.
Drop your weapon!
You
Drop
win.
the
I'm not
goddamn
going down for
gun!
this shit.
PD, hands up!
Don't move around.
What the?
I
Suspect
just do
ready for weapon.
security, that's all.
Talk. Suspect in custody.
Doc here.
They're
Don't
good.
take
Roger,
me in, man.
trailer's
I
inbound.
got kids to take care
Entry
of.
team to talk. Ready. Compliant.
Doc reporting. Keep going.
Hey, I don't have anything against you guys. Just know that.
Hey, what's gonna happen to me after this?
Suck my dick.
Get to the exit.
Put your hands up
Don't
now!
hurt me.
Go to the exit. Stay quiet and stay low.
Get me up, quick.
Officers are outside. Go.
What's Fall's deal, man?
Element to talk. Civvy is ready.
Entry team, this is Doc. Move on.
But let me talk to my family, all right?
Lead to talk. Civilian is good to go. Compliant.
Doc to Element. Trailer's incoming.
Stay sharp. Don't fuck up. You know how
Talk.
Police, get on the hands in the air! Police,
got too much
put
at
it
stake.
down slowly, put it down! LSPD, don't move! Police, drop the weapon! Police, drop
fucking
it!
chance.
Drop the gun!
I don't want this to go
Doc to
any
entry
further.
team. Continue with objective.
LSPD, get down! It's over! Get some of your hands up and get down slowly!
Should've listened the first time. Move there. Move and stay there. We warned you. Move forward.
Police, hands in the air! Get down!
Getting
Don't
down,
move!
motherfucker.
Entry team to talk. Got it bagged.
Lead, this is Doc. Confirming evidence secured.
Son of
Drop the weapon and get down! Drop your weapon now! Hands up now! LSPD, get hands now! Give up! Nowhere! Put the fucking gun down!
Yes, sir.
We're gonna reach for anything!
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can be used against you in a court of law.
Just
Suspect
make
isn't
sure
going
my
anywhere.
pay goes to my kids.
Element to talk. Suspect secure.
Doc to Element. Trailer's inbound.
Look, come on. I was just...
Don't mess around with the cops. Suspect ready to
You
go.
cocksucker.
Leave the talk. Good to go.
Entry team, this is Todd. Send him our way.
Cuffing.
LSPD's here. I'm
Zip
not
down.
involved in whatever shit you think is going on here.
Talk. Suspect secure. Ready for pickup.
Talk here. Proceed
Tell it
with
to your
mission.
lawyer.
I do
Suspect
security,
cuffed and
and
secured.
that's all.
LSPD,
You got
don't
waive
move!
my rights, Chief?
I have to do this. Good to go.
Dad is fucking
Entry
nuts.
team to talk. Civilian is secured.
Lead, this is Talk. Trailer's ready.
LSPD!
Hey, I don't have anything against you guys.
Get down now! Arms outstretched! Hands up! Don't move! Put your hands where I can see them!
Just relax and stay down.
LSPD, don't move! Get down and put your hands up! Police, get down! Police! Hands up! Hands up! Police, don't move!
Take me in. But let me talk to my family, all right?
LSPD, hands! Put your hands up now! Hands in the air! Put your hands up and get down slowly!
LSPD can go to hell.
Fuck.
Police, hands in the air!
We're police. Are you hurt? Cuffed and ready.
So can I just like leave?
Look,
Get down! Don't move!
I was just...
Don't run or reach for anything!
Get out of here. I won't say anything.
LSPD, don't move!
Anyway.
LSPD!
The cops.
Get down
You're gonna read me my
now!
rights,
Arms
Chief?
outstretched!
Don't worry. We're going to get you out of here. Civilian ready to go.
Element, this is Talk. Put him on tape and let him hang. Great
I don't
job.
have anything against you guys. Just know that.